Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So today we will be presenting our problem-based task on the network design subject. So this is our group member, Muhammad Zafran Danish bin Ahmad Sarani and Ni Ari Nurian bin Nik Ariza. That is me. My matrix number is 17 DDT 22 F1069. First of all, we will go through task one, that is to design the physical topology. So, um, on the design the physical topology, we will be configuring the wireless router. So first of all, this is our we add the IP address is 192.168.1.10, and our subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. So and then after we configure the IP address, we also configure the wireless security on the wireless router. So, as you can see, this is our password for our wireless router. By doing this, we will be only allowing PC that have the password to connect to the router. So, and then this is our PC configurations that is connected to the wireless router. So, as you can see, the IP address is automatically and the subnet mask too. So, that's all for task one. We move on to task two, that is building the prototype. So, for our floor plan, we are using Visio, and as you can see, we add a router at this room. We add switch at this room, and we add another switch at this room, and the wireless router at the center of the office that is full of PC. Okay, so we put switch here because this room is have a lot of space. Okay, we put router here and we put switch. So as you can see, this PC and these three printers and fax machine are connected to the switch, and this switch is connected to the router. So this PC connected to the router, and this switch is also connected to this router. So the telephone on the meeting room here is connected to the switch over here, and these two PC over here will be connected to the switch here. And then why we put the wireless router here? Because it is a center of the office that is full of PC. So by doing this, all of this PC um, will have a stronger connection to the internet. So that's why we put a wireless router here. So moving on, we will go to our topology by doing the packet tracer. So this is where our wiring. We will show you that how it is connected. So in this from in this PC0 will be connected to the router. Router will be connected to the switch 0, and this switch 0 will be connected to PC3, printer 1, printer 2, and fax machine 1. So, and then this router will also be connected to switch 1. So, on the switch 1, it will be connected on the IP phone, PC2, and PC1. On the switch 2, and the switch 1 also will be connected to the wireless router. So, the wireless router will be connected by all this PC over here. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zafin Danish and I will continue present on PPT, problem-based task network design on task 3 documentation. So for the first documentation, I will make a cover letter as the question given. For the A, I make a cover letter for the proposal. So as you can see, I put my name, my address, my email, my numbers, and my phone number and date. And after that, we're gonna make a executive summary. So as the executive summary, Excellence November has identified the need to update its network infrastructure to improve performance, security, and scalability. This proposal outlines our comprehensive approach to designing and implementing implementing a state-of-the-art network solution tailored to your specific requirements. Our solution includes detailed physical and geological network designs, a breakdown on the proposed cost, and a timeline for implementation. Okay, for the proposed solution, there are three things that we need to do. First, network requirements, physical network design, and logical network design. For the network requirements, improve network performance and reliability. After that, enhance security measures to protect sensitive data. Then, scalable infrastructure to support future growth. And lastly, seamless integration with existing systems and applications. For the physical network design, there are core network equipment, high performance routers and switches to ensure reliable connectivity. After that, cabling infrastructure, structured cabling to support data transmission with minimal latency. Then wireless access points, strategically placed to ensure comprehensive coverage and high-speed wireless connectivity. Then data center setup, centralized data center with redundant power and cooling systems to maintain optimal operation conditions. Okay, for the lastly, logical network design, IP addressing scheme, efficient and scalable IP addressing to manage network resource effectively. VLAN configuration, segmented VLANs to enhance security, optimize traffic flow. After that, firewall setup, advanced firewall solutions to protect against external threats, and lastly, network monitoring tools, real-time monitoring to ensure network health and quick issue resolutions. After that, proposed cost. As you can see, we got three items that is switch, router, and wireless routers. For switch, we got two quantity of it, and for both router and wireless router, one. For signature page, as you can see, we made a signature page for our client and we got our client signature and all of that. So lastly is appendix. Appendix A, network diagram, a detailed network diagram illustrating the physical and logical layout of the proposed network design. For the appendix B, project timeline, a comprehensive timeline outlining the key milestone and deliverable for project implementation. For appendix C, equipment datasheets, technical datasheets for all proposed network equipment, including routers, switches, wireless access points, and firewall. And that's all for